Good afternoon once more. Just a minute, please. So we wish to issue the following directions on how we are going to proceed. For good order and pursuant to Rule 17 of the Rutunga Rules, which empowers the court on its own motion to consolidate matters for expeditious disposal, the following petitions are hereby consolidated. Petition number E 365 of 2024, where petition E 013 of 2024, E 014 of 2024, E 015 of 2024, and petition E 565 of 2024 shall be the lead file. All filings henceforth shall be made in the lead file. Now, pursuant to that consolidation, the parties shall appear as follows.
Okay, so the new order of appearance with respect to the parties will be as follows. HA, the Gachaguan, will appear as the first petitioner. The second petitioner will be Thomas Kimoto Maingi. The third petitioner will be Honorable Jane Jerry Maina. The fourth will be Honorable David Ngunyi Mazenge. Fifth will be Peter Gichobi Kamoto. Sixth petitioner will be Grace Modoni Mwangi. Clement Muchiri Muriuki will be the sixth, and the seventh will be Edwin Monene Kariuki. The respondents will appear as follows. First, to the fifth respondents, as they appear in E 565 of 2024, that is the Speaker of the National Assembly as the first respondent, National Assembly, Kenya the second, Speaker of the Senate will be the third, the Senate of Kenya will be the fourth, and the Honorable AG will be the fifth. William Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, will appear as the sixth respondent. And the interested parties, the first interested party will be LSK as first interested party. That is the second one. The second one will be Professor Kithure Kindiki as the second interested party. Unless there's a party which is left out.
Yes, my lord, with your
Just a minute. Is there anybody who has been left out and come to amend consolidated petitions? Yes.
My name is Company Advocate. I was left out in the morning with petition 2013 of 2024. I had not been notified, and therefore I learned of these proceedings in the nation TV, and I decided to come. So therefore, yes, I came all the way from Kenyatta because Judge Richard Moore was very clear that we are going to be notified once the file is forwarded before the Chief Justice. There was no communication. So we were left stranded what is happening, and our petition is being mentioned here today, and therefore we have had to rush very fast so that I can make it in the second session, after the session. Therefore, I wish. Yes, maybe perhaps we can.
Section E13 and E14, Kagwea.
Yes, it was consolidated, and we were told that we are going to be notified. However, we were not notified. I just learned of it today on the TV at 11. So we had to rush very fast from Kilgoya so that we can understand what is happening and perhaps clarification purposes.
Is there anybody who has been left out of the...
My lord, with your permission,
yes.
Just to draw to the court's attention, there is an application lodged on behalf of an interested party in the name of United Democratic Alliance, which can be considered at an appropriate stage. Thank you.
Intended interested party or interested party?
It's an intended. He has not yet joined us.
And my lord, on the parties,
yes.
In this petition, I'm assuming it's one of those that you have mentioned, 528 of 2024.
No, it's not.
We have not mentioned that petition. And,
okay.
And on that score, let me say this, that in the morning session, there were parties who had mentioned different petitions which were not before us. I think we should be very clear that we can only deal with matters which are before us. should there arise a need for us to mention any matter which is not before us and which has been placed before us, we shall make that communication. So I think we need to be very clear that our jurisdiction is prescribed to particular facts. Thank you very much.
My lords, your leadership, permit me to request that the E565, in which the Deputy President is a petition, and E015, in which the Deputy President is a first interested party. Let the record of this noble court show that we were not given an opportunity to be heard on the issue of consolidation. The record shows the court has acted of its own volition in the normal practice, even under the odinga rules, is to accord parties to state their views on a proposed consolidation. This is the court's own volition. We were not asked to give. Thank you.